Hey everyone, my name's Hazel. I'm the Amazon Marketplace Specialist with Pela, and I was just wanting to tell you about my experience with working with Sunken Stone. So, Sunken Stone managed all of our Amazon USA operations. We were basically, when we went on board with Sunken Stone, we were looking for kind of an inclusive Amazon management company that could really allow us to be hands off and manage everything from advertising, listing setup, inventory management, just absolutely everything in our Amazon operations world. And Sunken Stone definitely fulfilled that for us. The greatest benefits, I would say, is really just kind of taking, a lot of stress off my plate, and the time that it would take to do any sort of listing tweaks and all that sort of thing. So definitely, I would say they take stress and time off your plate, which is obviously a huge benefit, while helping to grow our Amazon sales. So working with Sunken Stone, it has been really easy, I would say. Our account manager, Pela, was so awesome to work with. She always responds super quick and is super knowledgeable in basically all areas of Amazon, I would say. Oftentimes you find yourself Googling and YouTubing, trying to find answers to some questions related to Amazon. Whereas working with Sunken Stone, you can just fire off a quick email to Paula, and within the hour, she'll usually have a really detailed answer back to you, which is always really reassuring. So I would definitely recommend working with Sunken Stone. They're an awesome company, an awesome team, and they definitely helped us grow our Amazon business with taking some time and stress off our plate, which is obviously always a benefit. So I would definitely recommend working with Sunken Stone.